going to bring you guys along with me to get my hair done today. I'm going lighter. I'm gonna get rid of this red. I'm so excited, and I've been thinking about this for a long time.
Are we back in the morning? I don't really want to talk right now. In games, babe. I don't really want to play no more. I ain't dropping names, babe. But nothing really is the same no more. Everyone's asleep out in the city, and when everyone's asleep, that's when you get busy. I see the lights. I see the numbers flashing up on your phone all night. And baby, you know that shit ain't right.
I am so obsessed. I love it. Oh my god. It feels so good. The tone is exactly what I wanted. Green light. Bye.
To the back of my brain, to the back of my brain. But it comes up the same each time. There really ain't a way to pacify.
I love that M&M.
It's not bright though. Damn, babe. Damn, babe.
I'm on my back and my knees hurt, but I
I'm also crack.
And I just laid my...
I'm all. I'm all stiff.
I need a flower. You need a flower.
That's Maggie, babe. Show me the Maggie, my babe. This is my babe. This is my babe. Forever and ever.
No one will ever see this.
Maybe you'll go and turn me inside out. Maybe you'll turn around and leave the lovers know. Maybe you'll...
I went to Taco Bell. I don't always eat Taco Bell, but every now and then I like to walk around and find out. Taco Bell has this new grilled cheese taco, and I didn't even know until I got in line. I usually just get the same thing, which is a beef chalupa supreme, and I got that too. I saw that they have this grilled cheese taco where you like dip it in cheese sauce. I think it's their take on like the birria taco that you dip in the juice. Not even close. It's fun. I'm gonna try it. So it looks like this. I already took a couple bites. It has like shredded beef with cheese, and I haven't dipped it yet, but I've just been eating it, and it's really good. Like it's fire. I would order it again. So you're supposed to dip it in the cheese. So I'm gonna see what it tastes like with the cheese. Basically their nacho cheese. It's pretty good. Actually, it comes with this too. Oh, it comes with red sauce. Oh. I'm gonna dip it in the cheese, and then I'm gonna dip it in the red sauce. Okay. My stomach is going to hate me. Sorry, tummy. I'm so sorry. I love you. What is your guys' Taco Bell order? leave it in the comments. I like knowing people's orders, like Chipotle, Starbucks, Dutch Bros, because I always get the same thing and I get bored. Like yesterday I went to Dutch Bros and I was so indecisive, so I just told the guy, I was like, what's your favorite drink? And he's like, the double crunch with like strawberry. I forgot what he said, but it's double crunch with like strawberry or something. And I was like, I'll have that. And I didn't like it. But I do like trying new things. It just sucks when you try something new and you don't like it, because you're like, that's a waste. Oh, and for my drink I got Gatorade. I can't have Taco Bell and soda. I've been trying not to drink soda. We took the boys to see the new Ninja Turtles movie, which was so good, so cute. Great movie. I had soda last night. I feel like going to the movies, like, I don't know, I have to get a popcorn and a soda. I just have to. So I got a Gatorade. Okay, all right, that's all. You know what that tastes like? Do you remember like the strawberry shortcake dolls? Sniff them and they smell like strawberries. That's what it tastes like. It tastes like a strawberry doll. I don't know. Okay. It's hot. I have to turn this AC up. Also, I filmed this makeup look. It's over on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, StillGlamorus, and check out my reels. I have a lot of makeup reels. Okay. All right, bye. My boss got me this super cool candle lighter. I wanted to show you guys. Hello. I'm watching plant videos.
I'm just gonna.
Because I'm going to repot this. I got this pot off of Amazon. It's like black with turquoise speckle.
Potting soil, mainly.
I love it. I love it so much.
Say hi, honey bunny. Hi, baby. Do what is it?
And I actually found out that Sansevierias, which is the plant that I'm going to be repotting today, they are toxic to cats. And I found out because I posted the plant over on my Instagram, and then I got a few DMs saying that the plant is toxic to cats. And I was like, oh my God. So if you guys know of any plants that are not toxic to cats, please let me know. It's Sunday, cleaning, some resetting. I planned out my week. I notice when I sit down and schedule out my week, my days go by so much more productive, just easy, they just flow when I have a plan. I'm gonna repot this.
mind been like the ocean, you've been floating, while I focus on just trying to swim away. A new escape is what I long for, a lost boy in the out world, just trying to march forward. Soldier hearted in a war I started, disregarding all the butterflies I felt up in my stomach. Knew the time was coming for me to find my peace of mind, don't let the soul leave. I proceed to take a leap of faith in hopes I grow wings, like catch the breeze, a sweet release. I like the J to take this weight up off my knees, and I'm feeling freer than a bird outside the pigeon coop. To tell the truth, I don't know if this love is mutual.
Try so hard to find my peace of mind. If loving you's a crime, I think I'm almost wanted. And as the days go by, I know I'm running out of time. Just wanna find some peace of mind. Just gotta find some peace of mind.
Crown, that's a jam.
You guys, I haven't vaped in 20 days. I'm feeling really good about it. Could only do like a day and then I would break and go get a vape. So 20 days, no vape. Just wanted to send out a message, you know, to anyone that's trying to quit vaping. I think like for me personally, what's working is like, I'm not gonna, it's almost like I resent it, you know, like I'm not gonna let this vape control my life, because for a while there it was like in my hands, and if it wasn't in my hand, I needed it in my hand. It was just like a huge dependency. So I think just knowing that like you are in control, nothing has control over you. We give it the power, and it didn't happen overnight. Like I have quit so many times, and I know it's only been 20 days, it's not that long, but I have tried to quit so many times, right, where like I've failed over and over and over again to get to this point, which I feel my strongest. I feel like it's just, I don't have the desire to vape. It doesn't even sound appealing really either. Like before I'd be like, ooh, a vape sounds good, and now I'm like, it doesn't sound good. It's pretty gross. But okay, all right, there's a lot of traffic now, I gotta go, bye.
I don't wanna talk, don't you hit me? Told you I've been busy, two bad bitches with me. Bucking up your city, and my waist on itty bitty. Got these dizzy, set to get on one knee. I make them feel risky. I do what I want, know what it was when you signed up. Get right or get left, I got 3 hoes ready lined up. I take my apologies and sell or designer. You know where to find me. Till then, I don't wanna talk, don't you hit me? Told you I've been